pretty, isn't it?
Wow. Where's that from?
Yeah.
Nice. I think
I
you
give
know.
it. Yeah, I did.
Not 18, 16.
18.
16th birthday. I nearly said 18th birthday. That's nice.
Keep the
Yeah.
money in it for now, and then
Yeah.
you put it in your bank account as soon as
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then put it in on the
saving.
bank. Saving money, yeah?
This one might be from. I'm making everything full. Oh,
I can see that.
I was really unsatisfying. This is nice.
Let's see.
Whoa. Ah.
Oh.
To Kakalia, happy birthday, love, dear, and mum. Look at that.
Oh.
That's so cute. Look at the writing.
Oh,
That's so cute. Thank you so much. Oh, that's so cute.
That's nice.
That's a lot of happy.
Yeah, right.
Thank you. Happy birthday. I think I have, but I like it. I think I have, but like it would have been like years ago. I like it. I like it though.
Can you see the
is
piece?
it a daddy chosen car? Yeah.
Feels like it.
They move around as you open them.
Open the present.
Okay, I will. I'll hug you later.
Let's see.
Birthday. Ah. Oh my god. Happy birthday. Happy 16th birthday.
We're going to need fuel in whichever car we go in.
Okay.
Going to Oxford, right?
Yeah.
What?
Is that what you want to do? Nice paper.
Nice paper.
Yeah.
Another box. Yay.
And a box. Oh, wow.
I'll live in it. Thank you. I'll live in it.
See what? Knife, hun.
That's nice paper.
Do you have?
Just stand
Bring it.
down. I'll use my claws.
He has a penknife coming over.
Okay, I'm scared.
Just cut
Don't
the
cut
tape.
yourself.
Oh, it's at the sides. I did not know that. Come on.
They're very soft.
That is how it's done. I know what it is.
You know?
I know what it is.
Mm.
How do I
She's
do
already
that?
guessed what it is.
Oh my god.
Oh my god,
I'm so happy.
That's a lot
So
of
happy
hair.
right now.
Are you happy?
Oh my god, yes.
Right
I
now?
cannot wait.
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna be using this for the rest of my life. Like, seriously.
Good.
Open.
Careful.
I am really happy right now, but I'm not making any noises.
You can make a noise. You can scream. Is that all? That's like more than Bali.
And he's not come to play, have you noticed?
Bali.
No,
That's
yeah, he's
okay.
involved.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god, this is. I'm scared.
Why?
This is amazing.
Oh.
What's that? Oh, that's part of it. Oh my god, this is so cool.
There is a bow.
Oh my god. It's really difficult to get out.
Now you want to know what it is. Would you like to explain?
Drawing tablet for like digital art and like animation and like
Oh,
all that
wow.
stuff. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Because she's into...
excited.
she's into drawing and stuff, art.
Oh, sweet.
Oh dear.
Yes.
No.
Oh my god, look.
What is that?
That's so cool.
Oh, there is coming with the pen. Is that special
It comes
pen?
with the pen as well. I can't see anything.
Oh, bless.
What? Yeah. Need tissue here?
Look at mummy, let her see.
See, he can't find a tissue. Your dad can.
Oh my
I don't
god,
know.
this is so cool.
Oh, you haven't got tissues?
Oh,
Yeah, it's upstairs.
Oh my
What's
god.
that?
It comes with a glove so that you don't like muck it up or anything.
Oh, I say.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
bless.
Thank you.
There's a lot of tissue.
Box. Oh, it's a wardrobe, isn't it?
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Go on, you aren't you, babe? What is
What is this one?
It comes with the glove and everything.
Yeah, you have to wear a glove over these fingers so that you don't smudge the screen as you're...
Doing it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
drawing.
Fantastic.
There you go.
Oh,
Do you need charging straight off or what?
I'm not sure. I
Oh,
don't think so.
Bless. Now look what you've done. You've made her cry.
Oh, makeup is gone now.
Is it? Oh,
The makeup is
that's
gone
pretty
now.
cool. It has all the plug sockets and everything. I don't know how to do that.
Let's have a look. That must be easy.
The screen wipers. Oh wow.
Oh, brilliant.
What is this? And all the wiring here. Okay.
Another wiring is, we probably need to charge them, don't we? Before we
I'm
go.
not sure.
There you go.
Or wait till we get
Well, that's
home.
right. Basically, it has to be attached to the computer. It's not a standalone
Thing.
Yeah.
item.
But she's got the computer upstairs,
Yeah,
hasn't she?
yeah. So then once that's plugged in, that
You
is a
happy?
computer monitor.
Oh,
So you
Happy
get all your
Sat.
drawings. Yeah.
Oh.
Does it have the drivers and everything, or have you got to download that?
Drivers.
Yeah, the software.
Yeah, I'll download that. That will be easy then.
What's in there then?
HDMI cable, I think.
Yeah.
Oh no, my makeup.
no.
Oh, okay.
What's in that one then?
That is the
I think yours.
Oh, the glove.
glove.
Yeah.
The glove. Okay, I want to see the pen.
Oh, fantastic. It's lovely.
Oh my god. Oh look at that.
Oh my god, is it the pen like
The
that?
pen holder, basically. So you put this on the table and then you just do that, and when you're ready to write again.
Mm.
Wow.
So it can detect something like 8,000 different levels of pressure. So you
Really?
can right way to
Tiny stuff.
yeah.
And do you do the drawing yourself?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah.
And that's the stand.
Oh my god.
So you can stand
Oh my
that on
God.
your desk.
Exciting.
I am. Oh my god.
Oh, what a lucky gift.
I know.
What a lucky little tyke you are.
So all these buttons down the side as well are like shortcuts. So you can have it set up for black pen and just do some writing, or you
Yeah.
can sort of have the one set to rubber and then
Oh,
rub out
wow.
and then fill in the gaps and
I've not even seen it advertised anywhere.
We'll have this
Yeah.
on the side of your computer and your PC,
Yeah.
your monitor and everything,
Yeah.
and then you would
Oh,
plug
brilliant.
that into the
That'll keep
PC.
you out of mischief.
Yeah.
And then what is it?
You'll have this like set up nicely,
Like that.
and this is the screen. This is basically portraying what's on your monitor,
Ah,
and then
okay.
you can just basically like draw like this.
Yeah.
And then if you didn't like what you did, you can just undo it and stuff.
Yeah.
Like that. Oh my god.
That's cool.
It's
Something.
really thin, isn't it?
Yeah, it's so thin.
She knows what it's all about, don't you?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah, she's been looking at for quite some time.
All right.
I could get rid of this. There's 2 layers, so I can get rid of the first one.
Yeah.
The last one I'll release later, not now.
Okay.
Oh look, I made it wet.
Cool. Thank you, Daddy. She's
You
happy.
do it or it enhances what you've done. Something as well.
Unboxing.
Oh yeah, so it's got another layer on it.
Yeah, so
Is it protection?
Which is right there.
What
I
is it?
think it is.
Oh yes.
Very clever.
Leave it alone.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah, we do it later.
I mean, it's speeded up that
Oh yeah. Okay.
with a 20-minute.
Thumbs up.
Oh wow.
Halo lagi semuanya, selamat siang dan semoga semuanya sehat-sehat walafiat. Nah hari ini guys, anakku ulang tahun yang ke-16 tahun tuh. Happy birthday, Pi. So jadi kita membawa dia makan siang hari ini ke Oxford lagi. Dia yang pilih restorannya. Ya, so dadinya yang driving. And hari ini kita ada Nani juga. There's Nani. Hi Nani. Yes, jadi apa? Hanya kita berempat aja celebrate-nya. Berhubung yang gede nggak bisa ikut datang dan juga yang satu lagi di Australia. So hanya kita berempat ya. Berempat saja. Oke, teman-teman, nanti aku sambung lagi ya. To the birthday girl. 16 tahun, Bu. Udah tuir ya? Enggak lah, masih nggak kelihatan tuir. Oke, kita sambung lagi nanti ya kalau kita udah di sana. Bye.
Fun quick.
Pictures.
It's no,
This is a proper picnic.
let me see, mother. What is yours, mother? Oh, this is mother's
This is the bargain. Mixed
for the
emotions.
birthday girls,
And this is the bargain.
and this is hubby's.
Mixed emotions.
Enjoy,
Oh man.
Property.
enjoy everyone.